Hello everyone, Richie Vitale here. Do you want to look cool, amaze your friends, or just fool all the birds in the park into thinking you're not there? Then buy one of these amazing t-shirts. This is the redhead duck in the Central Park pool. I'd like to show you another product. This is a coffee cup, and your coffee will taste 500% better in this cup. And this is the Snorkel Build Floofle Blaster. Not really, it's a lesser yellow legs, and I filmed it in Brooklyn at the Jamaica Bay Wildlife Refuge Center. By the way, you could wear these shirts anywhere. Central Park, the beach, the Arctic tundra, anywhere. So these shirts come in all different colors, all different logos. You could change the colors, you could change the size, and you could get them in shirts, on coffee cups, aprons, hats, knapsacks, all kinds of cool stuff. So go to birdstuff.myspreadshop.com. So folks, buy as many t-shirts and cups as you can, and happy birding. Thanks for watching.